Got a pencil in my hand, it's time to cross
The
out.
X tool eliminates the
Words
question
in
word
the
from the
prompt that
topic.
make you doubt. No more how, switch it up to ways. There are ways, now that's the new phrase. Cross out how, why, and what. Yeah, they go away. Ways, reasons, names. These words can stay. Cross out how, why, and what. Yeah, they go away. Ways, reasons, names. These words can stay. These question words you can't deny. Reasons are the answers, never asking why. The question is, why do they need to know? The reasons they need to know is the right way to go. Cross out how, why, and what. Yeah, they go away. Ways, reasons, names. These words can stay. Cross out how, why, and what. Yeah, they go away. Ways, reasons, names. These words can stay. Keep your pencil ready, cross them out every time. What you need to know is in your mind. What did they do? Was the question asked?